I just knew that this is something that can change the world, and I know that when I'm retiring many years from now, I know I'll look back on being a part of this transition with pride. My name is Ken Lawshe, and I'm the Chief Revenue Officer at Synthesia. So before Synthesia, I led revenue functions in a number of different companies, from IoT to clean tech. And most recently, I led the enterprise function at Navan. And then we scaled it significantly through the pandemic over the last 3 years. I think one thing that's really exciting to me about this is that this is a category completely of its own, right? This is a technology that will transform how we communicate. I don't think anyone disputes that. What's really exciting is we can play a role in how we bring this technology out into the world and introduce it to people so they can know, how do I communicate more effectively? Actually, my brother-in-law, who's much younger and is in college, got an assignment where he chose Synthesia as an example of an innovative AI company. Kind of a small world. I don't think so, assuming we're responsible. One of the questions I asked the team at Synthesia was, what are we doing to be responsible with AI, to be able to demonstrate that we have an ethical framework for how we're going to use it and how we're being responsible. You don't get very many chances in your life to be a part of something like that.